It was June 2020 where Chinese soldiers aggressively created border tensions in Ladakh, in which 20 of Indian soldiers were martyred, and to repay Indian army more than 40 Chinese soldiers. Border tensions between India and China is not new. From 1952 till date, we can see conflicts and wars between both countries. And whenever we talk about India and China war, first thing comes to our mind is 1962 war, in which China defeated India. But what many people don't know is there was another war in 1967 in which India killed more than 300 Chinese soldiers in 3 days and defeated China. And question pops in everyone's mind is, what happened to 1967 India-China war? How Indian soldiers responded to China attack at the time? For next 3 minutes, I am going to tell you interesting facts of 1967 India and China war near Nathula and Chola. Stay tuned and watch full video. Before watching video, if you not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for short and simplified videos every day. Let's begin our video from September 6, 1967, where India and China had clash in border, in which one of Chinese officer fall down breaking his eyeglasses. With this, both sides engage in fight, and later Indian army officials told to come back 5 km and hold post to avoid war situation. But it was Lieutenant Colonel Rai Singh who rejected orders and decides to hold Nathula and fence along border. It was September 11 when Indian grenadiers and engineers started fence work from Chula to Nathula, and all of a sudden Chinese soldiers entered to stop fence work. But it was second grenadier officer Lieutenant Colonel Rai Singh orders not to stop work and continued fence along borders. General Sagat Singh told Rai Singh to do fence work being in bunker, but it was Rai Singh who told soldiers to work from outside bunker to uplift spirit of soldiers. But unexpectedly, Chinese soldiers started firing, in which Rai Singh was injured with 3 bullets, and many soldiers who were standing outside bunkers were with machine guns. And immediately Indian soldiers inside bunker started to fire Chinese soldiers, and it was General Sagat Singh who sent artillery guns to attack Chinese. At the time, orders of using artillery guns was given only by Prime Minister, but it was Sagat Singh who wanted to take revenge of his fellow soldiers and gave orders to attack Chinese. Indian soldiers were higher in ground, in which Indian soldiers attacked Chinese soldiers easily by destroying their post. War was fought for 3 days, and it is said that 163 Indian soldiers injured, 88 soldiers were martyred, and not to forget, more than 340 Chinese soldiers were and 450 injured. Suppose if Indian soldiers were pushed to 5 km back, then today we would have lost Sikkim like we lost Aksai Chin in 1962. On that day, many of our soldiers were martyred, and one of them is Major Harbhajan Singh, who died while saving other soldiers. To honor his bravery, government awarded Mahavir Chakra and built memorial and Baba Harbhajan Singh temple at Nathula. This is the 1967 story which many of us don't know and hidden from our textbooks. If you think this video is facts, then kindly share these facts proudly and comment your doubts in comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and trending videos.